Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. We're out in the garden today, and we are going to do some grocery shopping. We're going to shop for some cucumbers, some lettuce, some squash, maybe some peppers, and maybe some collards. And I thought I would bring you along. Let's get started. So we're in front of the cucumber patch or vines, and yesterday when I was out here, I counted 7 that were ready. So we're going to go ahead and get those. Got a lot of nice cucumbers here. Let me look again to see if I missed any. That one, I'm going to let it get a little bit bigger. I think we're good. So we're in front of the squash and zucchini bed. And in previous videos, I mentioned that I did a lot of pruning on of the plants due to the leaves having powdery mildew. And the plants are still growing and stuff. The plants still have the mildew on them. It still looks like there was mildew on them. So I may come out again later on after all this rain stops. But in the meantime, I think I have one zucchini that's ready. And I'm going to look and see if we have any squash also. Here's the zucchini. I'm sorry, here's the squash. And as far as the zucchini, I see 2 growing here, not ready yet. And I don't see any on any of the other plants. So let's go harvest, some lettuce. So in this bed, I have one head of lettuce. I think it's a bib lettuce. I forget the variety that it is. I'm just going to go ahead and cut the whole head off. Um, Actually, it's a bib lettuce. It's a little small head of lettuce, be enough for maybe 1 or 2 meals. Collard green leaves are big again, but I think I'm going to go ahead and wait to harvest them. I want to get some more leaves on them before I take the big leaves. So if you look down the row, you see a bunch of ripe peppers. What you're looking at now are habaneros. And over here, we have the Scotch bonnets. And we have some more habaneros here. We have the cowhorn, cayenne pepper, and we have some more peppers over there. Now, the ones that are ripe, we're going to go ahead and harvest all of those. And in a video that will be airing in the near future, or sometime in the future, let's put it that way, we're going to go ahead and make some hot sauce from them. So we got all of these just from one tree. Now we're gonna go around over here and get the rest that are ripe. This is our harvest this morning. We have a bib lettuce, we have several cucumbers, we have squash, and we have 4 different types of hot peppers. And as I said before, the backyard grocery store is always open. It's never closed. So my ghost peppers are coming along, and we have one that is getting ready to turn colors. I can't wait until all of these turn colors and we can come out and have a really tremendous harvest. I'm proud of the harvest that we got this morning, and I am really excited about harvesting tomatoes. We have tomatoes up the wazoo, and again, I can't wait to harvest them. We have several different types. We have slicers, we have cherry tomatoes, and we also have sauce tomatoes growing as well. I'm really looking forward to the tomato harvest this year. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while we did this harvest. We got bib lettuce, we got several cucumbers, we got a squash, and we got 3 to 4 different types of peppers. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it brought a smile to your face, a little joy to your heart. If you enjoyed the video, leave me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and I'll be sure to respond. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. This is the type of produce that I grow all the time, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell all so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like it, your family and friends will also. So until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.